Alright, this is the detail we all been waiting for. What does the car look like underneath? I'm about to slide out underneath, check it out, probably loosen the oil pan bolt, and we can finally drain these fluids. Alright. I never serviced this car. My dad was always a big dealership enthusiast, and I don't know what kind of work they are into, but you can see how oily it is down here. Looks like the oil filter is down here. Oh, come on. It's way up there, above the engine mount. Jesus, man, look how oily it is down here. Ooh, ooh. All right, time to drain this oil. Where are you? Ah. No. 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 Missed though. Oh, what a mess. I gotta get some towels. I might as well grab the oil filter out since I made a huge mess anyway. Over the subframe. Stupid. What? What? Oh, it's stuck. What is going on here? Does it not come out this way? Oh man. Alright, cut. Arm went into elbow grease. Great. Great. The solution I have for the future though, so that I don't have any trouble getting this filter off, is I went with the K&N from my motorcycle experience. Two things that K&N does for a favor is give you this 1-inch socket right here to take off the filter if it gets stuck in the future, and they give you a hole that goes through both sides right there so that you can tie it on just so it doesn't fully eject itself. At least in the motorcycle world, it's super required if you want to race. So I'm gonna get that on. Here's an OE filter here from the 1990s. I would use it, but I heard these rubber seals go bad. But yeah, I'm gonna get this on, fill this up, get this on, and top off the car with some oil. Alright, here's the hard part.
Perfect. Perfect. He's covered in oil. Go for it.
Oh no! So much for filling the oil filter. Oh, this oil can is super oily now. Oh. Get in the hole. Come on, catch. Oh, no. No. Just put a new shirt on. It's a good thing. These things come with that 1-inch socket, as I mentioned. It's the only thing I can grip onto right now. Alright, that's on. And I'm once again covered in oil. Great. While the car's up and I'm dirty, I might as well take this under tray off, since it's probably going to need a severe cleaning. It looks like it's held on by these bolts right here. Interesting. There's so many. Alright, well, I'm going to get those off, and then we're going to top this car off with oil. Alright, I got the under tray taken care of. And while I was rinsing out the oil, this bottle happened to just perfectly screw right in, so I just cut that off and turned that into a funnel. So I'm just gonna rip off this first one. Get topping off this car. Alright, I got 4 of them in there, and I stopped halfway with the last one just to make sure I didn't overfill this tank, because I really don't want to go back underneath this car any more than I have to. Looks like just a quarter more, and it'll be all full. And yes, as you can tell 2050 is what the manufacturer recommended. A lot heavier than what I normally expect, but these are from the good old days without no variable timing. So I guess it likes the weight. It likes it thick. Alright, it's full.